In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a community on Whop. First, make sure you're logged into your Whop business account, then head to your business home dashboard. This is your main control center, where you manage everything related to your products and communities. From the dashboard, look for the option labeled Products and click on it. This is where you'll create and manage the different offers your members can purchase or join. On the Products page, click on Create Product. This starts the process of setting up your new community as a product that people can access. You'll now see a form. Click into the name field and type in the name of your community. Choose something clear and memorable, so potential members immediately understand what it's about. Just below that, there's a headline field. This is like a short tagline or value statement, so use it to quickly explain who the community is for and what they'll get from it. Next, decide how people will access your community. You can leave it as free access or click on paid access if you want to charge. If you choose paid, you'll see a drop-down that's set to recurring by default. Click on that drop-down. Here, you can either keep it as recurring, which works well for memberships, or select one time if you want people to pay only once for lifetime or long-term access. Then click into the price field and enter the amount you want to charge. Think about the value you're providing and what similar communities charge. Just to the side, there's a drop-down that might say something like 1 month. Click that and choose how often you want to bill. Monthly, every few months, yearly, or even a custom period. This lets you match your pricing to how you plan to deliver content and support. If you want to offer multiple tiers, such as basic and premium plans, click on Add Pricing option and set up additional options with different prices and billing periods. Once you're happy with your pricing, click Next. Now you'll choose which apps to include in your community, like forums, courses, chat, content, events, or live streaming. Select the ones that match how you plan to engage and support your members, then click Next again. On the next screen, click Add a video or photo and upload visuals for your community. A strong cover image or a short intro video can dramatically improve conversions, so it's worth taking the time to add this. Finally, when everything looks good, click Save Product. Your community is now created on Whop and ready for you to